This is another high voltage setup. By these we can generate up to 90 kV voltage. We can generate 90 kV voltage, and it's this by this high voltage we will measure. Previously we measured in our another experiment, previous experiment, I think we measured the dielectric strength of solid insulating material, and today we will measure the dielectric strength of liquid insulation. This is the liquid transformer oil. So you can see there is bubble. So first you have to remove that bubble, and then we can measure the dielectric strength. Okay, see there is no more bubble, and this is two electrode. They are separated by 4 mm distance, and we will put electrical pressure through electrode in the liquid dielectric material, and we can put up to 90 kV voltage between two electrode, and we will get when the oil is punctured. That means its dielectric strength is break. Okay, so now we will cover it. We will cover it. See, there is two electrode, and we will gradually increase the voltage. First we switch it on, and then HT is on. Okay. Okay, let's start. HT on. Press it. HT is on. So gradually we have to increase the voltage, and in between two electrode. In between two electrode we will get what is happening. Now increase the voltage gradually. We are increasing the voltage. See, here the voltage is increasing. See, the voltage is increasing. And see, this is the condition of the two electrode. See, electrical pressure is gradually increasing. See, this is the voltage. We cross 20 kV. Now see, there will be spark between two electrode to ionize that. Now it's punctured, and its voltage is set to 0. Now what was the puncture voltage? We can note that by pressing this memory switch. If we press the memory switch, that voltage will again show that. Here it is 30 point. If it is 30, then it is 20. So 20, 30, 40. I think it's near about 30 kV. It's in between 20 and 40. So its voltage is near about 30 kV. So at 30 kV, this voltage is this oil is punctured. Okay. So by this way we can take the dielectric strength of liquid insulating material like transformer oil. Okay, so this is your one experiment, and we will explain in details in later.